Mix baking powder with softener, and you will be surprised by the result. Let's start today's tip. Using 3 tablespoons of baking powder. I doubt you've ever made tips using baking powder. Now we will also add 500 milliliters of hot water. Next, we will mix very well until dilute all the baking powder, being the differential item of the mixture, for acting in the removal of stains. Now we will also add 200 milliliters of vinegar. Been ideal for mixing by acting in contact with the other ingredients. Now we must mix very well again. We will also use 25 milliliters of fabric softener, being responsible in addition to cleaning. Also for the aroma everywhere we use the mixture. If you prefer, you can even use the lid itself as a meter, being the ideal amount for today's tip. Now we must mix again. To finish, we will also add 3 tablespoons of detergent, being the last item for this tip, and one of the main items for its decreasing effect. I always have this mixture ready for use in my home. It is always the solution to remove stains and dirt. Let's mix one last time, and with this, we will have our tip ready for use. To facilitate the application and storage, we will use a bottle. Only this amount that we prepare is enough for use for up to a month, requiring only a small amount for daily use. And before I forget, tell me which city is watching us to send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Jessica Klinger from Harrisburg. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. We must use the lid with a hole, controlling the amount of use and also avoiding waste. Only by the consistency of the mixture, we can already notice that it is different from all products sold in the markets. For the application, we can put the mixture directly in the place that we will perform the cleaning. You can use a broom if you need to remove all dirt, and then just remove the excess product with a cloth. Everyone is impressed by the smell of cleanliness in my house when I use this mixture. After making your home, come back here to tell me what result you had when using. Thank you for watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.